Generative AI in software development. Generative AI is transforming software development, offering automation and efficiency that revolutionizes how applications are built and maintained. Let's explore how generative AI is reshaping this landscape. Generative AI tools excel at translating natural language instructions into functional code, speeding up development cycles significantly. Imagine being able to describe a feature in plain language and have the code generated automatically. For example, a developer describes a feature request, implement a login page with social media integration, and generative AI instantly generates the corresponding code ready for integration. Now let's talk about enhanced efficiency. By automating repetitive coding tasks, generative AI liberates developers to concentrate on complex problem solving and innovation. For example, instead of manually writing code for CRUD operations, developers leverage generative AI to automate these tasks, allowing them to focus on designing and innovative features. Moving on to reduced errors. Generative AI leverages existing code patterns and best practices to minimize human error, ensuring more reliable software deployments. For example, by referring a robust code base, generative AI helps developers avoid common pitfalls like syntax error or inconsistent coding practices, accelerating prototyping and ideation. Generative AI empowers developers to swiftly iterate on design ideas and build prototypes, accelerating the creative phase of development. For example, developers use generative AI to explore various UI layouts and functionalities rapidly, refining prototypes based on real-time user feedback, enhancing developer productivity. Generative AI contributes to productivity gains across several crucial areas of software development. First is automated testing. Generative AI generates comprehensive test cases automatically, ensuring thorough code coverage and reducing reliance on manual testing. Code optimization. By analyzing code for performance bottleneck and suggesting optimizations, generative AI enhances application efficiency and scalability. Code documentation refers to generative AI automates the creation of detailed documentation, aiding in code comprehension and maintenance. Personalized user experiences. Generative AI can analyze user data to identify patterns and preferences, enabling the creation of personalized user experiences. It can generate personalized content such as recommendations and target marketing messages. Generative AI can dynamically adapt user interfaces based on user behavior, providing a more tailored experience. For example, an e-commerce platform uses generative AI to recommend products based on past purchases and browsing history, enhancing user engagement and satisfaction. Ensuring code quality and consistency. Generative AI enforces coding standards, conducts automated code reviews, and performs security analysis to fortify applications' integrity. First is code style. Generative AI can force consistent coding styles, make more code readable and maintainable. Next is code review. It can automatically identify potential code issues and suggest improvements. Last but not the least is security analysis. Generative AI can analyze code for security vulnerabilities. For example, by enforcing consistent coding styles and identifying potential vulnerabilities, generative AI helps maintain robust security and code quality standards. Now, let's talk about the future of generative AI in software development. As generative AI evolves, it integrates more deeply into cloud-based platforms, supports low-code or no-code development, and automates DevOps processes, streamlining software development and management. For example, cloud-based development environments equipped with generative AI enable global collaboration and scalable application developments, fostering innovation and efficiency. For example, cloud-based development environments equipped with generative AI enable global collaboration and scalable application deployments, fostering innovation and efficiency. So we get to know that generative AI is automating DevOps processes, streamlining the deployment and management of software applications.